Hello everyone, welcome to our Leopard channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to take a screenshot in your Samsung Galaxy A25 phone. Today I will show you two methods that you can take a screenshot. Now the first method, which is really very simple, you have to press the power key and volume down key at the same time. Now I will do this. And you can see the phone will take a screenshot. And the first method, which is very simple. Now the second method is also very simple. You have to swipe your hand from left to right. And you can see the phone will take a screenshot. If you cannot take a screenshot using second methods, you have to turn it on from your settings. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. From here scroll down. Now go to advanced features. From here tap on motion and gestures. From here scroll down a bit. Here at the bottom you can see palm swipe to capture. You have to turn it on from here. In my phone this setting is turned on. So I can take a screenshot using these second methods. And that is how you can take a screenshot in your Samsung Galaxy A25 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.